Hello and welcome everybody to this brief XTB market update video. My name is Walid Koudmani, Chief Market Analyst for XTB. In this brief video, we're going to be covering the situation on the natural gas market. As you can see on the chart here, some very interesting moves, a lot of volatility on this market, so we can definitely keep an eye on it. And I'm going to show you some levels maybe that we can keep an eye on moving forward. Definitely some news to follow as well with the heating season and the expectations on that end. We'll be keeping you up to date, of course, on the news section of the X Station. But for now, let's take a look at what's been happening as of late and what we can expect perhaps to keep an eye on at least in the coming week. So the pullback here, you can see significant downward move. Really, the Natgas market has been struggling for quite some time. Although after reaching this low about 1.907, you can see a significant rebound, which, as I've outlined here on the chart, is about 14.5%. Now, on the 4-hour chart, we can see that this is the case. But if we go look on the 1-hour chart, which is the H1, you can see crossing both of the averages and then breaking through them. Now testing these levels, which are previous reaction areas. I'll show you here. This area here, which is the rectangle, now we're back in that area around 2.1, 2.2 almost. And very interesting to note that we broke through these both of these moving averages, which is the 21 SMA and the 200 SMA on the hourly chart. And of course, some recent news coming out from the situation on the natural gas market, potentially colder levels of weather in the second half of April, but also we'll have to keep an eye on the inventory reports as they come out. Nevertheless, some very interesting moves on this market. 14.5% is quite significant, but still, as you can see, we remain within this trading range, so not really breaking out of it after dropping significantly. And we've outlined this in previous videos as well. Natgas market has been really down quite significantly. It remains to be seen, because eventually we will approach the season in which inventories are rebuilt for then the winter, so it will be interesting to follow on the longer time frame. But on the shorter time frame, this is the situation at the moment. Some key levels to keep an eye on perhaps remain this very lowest level, but also on a more general support. You can see this area around 1.99 tested several times and holding as a support, as a resistance, the upper range or upper limit of the recent trading range. And in the very, very short term, maybe in the next couple of hours or something like that, in the next few hours, you can see here, this area has been tested several times, failing to break through it. But of course, for any major development, we'll be keeping you up to date with XTB and the X Station news. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this will be useful, and good luck with your trading.